on with the seminar and get to the questions. Let me just share the seminar sheet. Okay, you should be able to see that by position, in fact. So we're going to go through the seminar questions, like I said, and then we're going to, I'll give you some time to work in breakout groups for the problem questions, and we'll come together and discuss those. So hopefully, again, you'll find that a useful exercise. But just thinking about the questions in the quiz, and just the fact that a lot of those questions, I mean, some of them were done really well. Again, I know it's just a quiz. Sometimes you can go for the wrong answer, but I think you should really use it as a way to test yourself, because I think it's really good even just in terms of the cases. So it helps you to realise kind of what cases you need to know a little bit better, sort of, why certain cases are relevant, what's the main authority for example, material contribution to harm and material increase in risk, which is what we're going to discuss for question 3. So I'm thinking whether it'd be useful for you guys to maybe just take a few minutes to think about these. How should we do this? Let's do the first couple of questions, and I'll see how we get on. If I think you'll benefit from some time in breakout groups, then I will do that. But let's see how we go. It might just have been the questions that threw some people. And when we deal with it here, you might be okay. Again, I'm sure I've said this before. So when you're doing your revision preparation, again, a helpful exercise, everyone develops kind of their own methods and techniques, but I think it would be really useful to, even if you just note down a few words next to the cases, the case names, that can be helpful in terms of remembering, the main points of the case or the key facts of the case. So maybe try and do that. I know I've kind of annotated things before. I don't necessarily need to do it. Well, I could just show you. So even, for example, what did we talk about? And we're going to talk about, so Bonington, you might want to write more detailed notes. But again, what did we talk about? It was the classic example of the but-for test, wasn't it? Again, this is going to go off the thing, but you get what I mean. So it's just kind of that kind of annotating. I'm going to clear that